Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my craft room. Today we are going to unbox the Love from Lizi May 2022 card kit, and this box is called Kisses and Wishes. So inside you will see that you get everything inside a Ziploc bag. You get a little with compliments slip from Lizi, and you can see here then this big Ziploc bag. This is to help protect your goodies when they're in transit. It doesn't help if the box gets damaged and if the Ziploc bag gets torn, but if it is in wet weather, there is some hope that the Ziploc bag will keep your products nice and dry. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So I'm going to start with the cardstock that we get inside our bag, and we get the A4 sheets. We get 5 of these. We have one in a lovely teal color. We have a black. We have white, and this is good for using your stamps on, for coloring in with Copic markers, etc. We have this lovely hot pink, and we have brown. So there are 5 sheets of A4 cardstock that we get. We also get 5 12 by 12 cut aparts. Now you can see these don't look like they're 12 by 12, but what Lizi has done is she has cut these apart so that they'll fit inside the Ziploc bag. So on the back side we have some pattern paper, and it's the word search on this one. And then on the front side we have some great tags, cut aparts and strips, and these can all be used to embellish a card front and make your cards with. You can fussy cut around the images and use those. I love the little hedgehog cupcake and the sloth relaxing on the chair, and another hedgehog. Love the hedgehogs. So we get 5 12 by 12 sheets that are cut down. So this is one. This is the second one, and on the back side of this is sentiment: love leaves forever memories on the heart, hoping your memories bring you comfort and peace. So we have sending you hugs, kisses, feel better wishes, lots of sentiments on the back there. And again, more tags, cut apart strips. And not only do we get the large size cut apart, but we get the smaller ones as well. And I have an idea for a card using those smaller ones. So that's our second sheet. Our third sheet, again, we have some sentiments on the back of this. And then this is the front side. And they're all more or less along the same lines as these two. They all have lovely images, cut aparts, tags, etc. The next one I have here, this one is strips. So you can see here, you can cut these strips off and use each of the strips to embellish your card. I love the little bees. I think it actually goes this way. You have your bees, your donuts, thank yous, the floral again, thinking of you, hello. I love this one with all the animals. The llamas is a theme you'll see more of. Your handbags, your ladybugs, and your little bird. So very cool indeed. And then our 5th sheet is a pink word search on the back. And then again we have our tags, large cut aparts, smaller cut aparts, and our cut apart strips. So that's the 5 sheets of tags and sentiments. Next we have pattern paper. These are double-sided pattern paper. They're 6 by 6 inches, and we get 15 sheets of these. So I'll go quickly through these. So there's donuts and hooray. I love this one with the hearts, and we have polka dots at the back. We have those lovely animals that went with the strip, and on the back we have an animal print. We have our little bees and our what is that called again? I can't think of it, but I know you're shouting at me what it's called. It'll come to me later. I love this floral. I think it's beautiful. And gingham on the back of that. Floral again with a polka dot. This lovely little floral, and you can see all the images on the pattern paper here are picked up throughout all the larger sheets. This is a fabulous floral, and stripes on the back. Another great floral. I love this little butterfly, and it's a bee. It would be great if you were doing it for someone's birthday. This has to be one of my favorites. I just love this. It's so cute. And the lovely gingham on the back. A pretty floral with a small flower. Our ladybirds and our polka dots. This is lovely. It's nests with 3 eggs in them. Beautiful colour. And the back is the little birds. We have a nice pink and white and geometric on the back, and then again another floral with our polka dot on the back. To go with those then, we also get 3 sheets of sentiment strips. These are all gold foiled on this sheet. They're gold foiled on the white. It's kind of an off-white. It's like a creamy white colour. And then the black one has got white sentiments, and these are a sticker. There's a nice weight to them. They're not a flimsy sticker, they're a heavy kind of sticker, and they have great sentiments. Hey, hello, you are the best, best friend ever. I miss your face. I say that to my daughters. I miss your face. Feel better soon, from my bestie, sending hugs your way. I appreciate you. Enjoy your birthday. So these be lovely with a larger sentiment like the thank you. You could then take one of the sentiments from here, excuse me, and add to it for all you do. Yeah, so I love these. These are very cool and a nice addition. We also get some dies. We have 3 little dies that we get in our little Ziploc bag. We get the cutest, isn't he just the cutest little hedgehog? I love him, or her. We get a little bow, so this could be a little miss or a little mister, depending on where you put your bow. And we also have a little llama, so really cute, very, very cute. So 3 little dies. We also get a stamp set. Now you may have seen this before. If you get the kits, you'll know that we have got 2 other sentiment stamp sets in 2 previous kits. We have the With Love and the Thank You sets. Now with the With Love, we have this piece here, and all the With Loves fit in here, as do all the Thank Yous. On the thank you one, we have these splotches. All the thank yous fit in these splotches, as well as the With Loves. So now in conjunction with those, we have the Celebrate. So you can use the word celebrate on their own, or you can stamp your splotch and put your Celebrate on over it, or you can pop them into this. So I love that Lizi is doing this. These will become available on Lizi's website as well. You can get these already, but I'm sure the Celebrate ones will be up as well. So that's our fabulous stamp set. Next we get some Puffy Stickers. I love some Puffy Stickers. So we have this floral bouquet, we have this heart, again the hedgehog, we have our donut with the bite out of it, another heart, our llama, and a little butterfly. And they are a really nice little sticker with these little gold sequins in each of them. Really cool, a nice addition for on our cards. We get a bag And this is just a sample bag of sequins. Lizi likes to pick out all the colors that we have, and then from those she will have a sequin mix made up. So we've got the hot pinks, the teals, the white, the iridescent, and the golds running through this. And again, you can get a full-size bag of sequins through the website. We also get a bag with some lovely ribbon and string, as well as some little pegs. So we have these 3 little pegs that you can embellish your card or your scrapbook page, whatever you're using your kit for. Love these. They're so cute, and they don't add too much bulk to a card if you use them on a card. This ribbon is a tassel ribbon, and it's about 30 centimeters long, and it has these lovely pastel colors on them. And I think this goes well with the llama imagery that's going on, but that's just beautiful. Then we get 3 types of twine, and each of these twine is 1 meter long. So we have a pink and white, a lemon and white, and a blue and white, and they are just fabulous. We also get some pinstripe peel-offs. These are Lizi's new pink color, and I have to say, Lizi, I love this. I like to call this bubblegum pink. I don't know if Lizi has a special name for it, but that's what I'm going to call it, this bubblegum pink. But it is a really fabulous girly pink, and I think it goes so well if you look at the floral paper and all the pattern paper. I think these pink peel-offs are a great choice to go with that. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, and finally, I'll just tuck the peel-offs in there. We also get a roll of double-sided tape. And this double-sided tape, if I'm right, is 1/4 of an inch in width. I'll just take my old ruler out and have a look. Yes, it's perfectly 1/4 inch, or 1/4, as they like to say in America. We say 1/4 here. It's 1/4 of an inch wide. And as far as I'm aware, we get 12 meters of double-sided tape in this roll. So that is awesome. I love that. Brilliant addition. So that's everything that you will get in your Love from Lizi May 2022 card kit called Kisses and Wishes. As a design team member, I also got some of the lovely peel-off bundles that you can get, and I'm going to show you which ones that I got. So our peel-off bundles that you can buy on the website come in a clear packaging like so, and I have taken this off so I can show you the peel-offs. So this bundle is all straight peel-offs. You can see here they're all the same width. We have this beautiful white with a gold overlay. We have this, I love it. This is a lemon glitter straight peel-off. Then we have this mint moon dust straight peel-off, and then this shiny peach color. This is a wonderful way to collect peel-off strips. If you like adding peel-offs to your cards, these bundles are a great way of purchasing them. And remember, anything you purchase on the Love from Lizi website, if you're a subscriber to the kits, Lizi can put those into the kits for you, so you don't pay extra shipping. You can have them shipped with your kit, and that way you save money to spend more at Lizi's website. So this is the straight peel-off stickers. Then we also have the pinstripes, and these are in 3 different widths. We have a wide, a medium, and a skinny peel-off. This one here is a rose gold mirror. Then we have this teal mirror. Then we have an iridescent pink, and it's got lots of sparkle in this, but there's no shedding. And then we have this fabulous red. I would call this a fire engine red. I don't know what you'd call it, but love it. Brilliant. So again, these are peel off bundles, and if you go to Lizi's website, she has great peel off bundles that you can purchase. But I think these go really well with all the colors that are in the kits. The red goes well with the ladybirds, etc. So a great addition to your kit if you're interested in getting them. Now Lizi does many other additions. I will leave links down below. If you look in the description down below, you'll see links to Lizi's website, to her Facebook group and her Instagram page. There'll be links to everything down below. I hope you'll pop over to Lizi's website, the shop, where you can not alone get just the kits, but so much more crafty goodies on her website. I'm looking forward to crafting away now with these goodies and making my 10 cards 1 kit video. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming in about 4 or 5 days time. So until then, I hope you'll stay safe. I'm going to leave you with some images of the kit and see you next time. Bye for now.